Hello traders, quick update from me. So same as yesterday, Bitcoin is pushing up nicely. Stock market is going up, dollar index going down, and bonds are going down as well, which is perfect environment for Bitcoin to push up. But not only because of this macro environment, but also from technical perspective, what is happening on the chart. So I will show you that. We will be waiting for stock market open today as always. Yesterday I was very busy scalping, eight trades taken at least, most of them winners, because I was prepared for the upside and it was really good environment to do so. Today, for now, I took this scalp here. I was waiting to liquidity, when we take the liquidity. It was logical, it was building like 1 month here. You see we taken like 75%, still something is remaining. Up to 21k, that's the end of the 1 month liquidity. You see I took this scalp because we had a session naked poke. I was doing my research before and it was showing up to me as strong. Also naked traders here with naked 19 million from Bybit. Weave up close here, and if you go to this chart, it is another market structure. Every single market structure after longer time I drew gave me trade, so very nice confluence. In order to become, so this is a very nice scalp entry, but to become day trade, you really need to return back to these highs under them and then retest them. We'll be watching all the order flow on retest and change market structure on higher time frame, like 50 minute and down. So that's what you need to see. So these scalps become day trade, and I scalped these on 2 accounts. Because 2 other accounts, Swing and Day Trade, are in longs. One from 18,000 and another one from this area. And from this area, we were adding, it was very easy entries. And also, now we can have a look to the upside. What is waiting for us? So first area I'm watching is definitely this medium swing failure pattern here. It is minor one. You can see it was created on the way to the downside, and but we have it here, and it's also end of the liquidity. You also have anchored view ups here. One is from big range, measuring big range, and this is also uptrend, older uptrend anchor view up. They were really strong in the past, so I'll be watching them. But you really want to see quick swing failure pattern here and return back down after you grab liquidity from 0.61. This is the first area I'm watching after this high here, yes. But you also need to be careful because this is area where locally we have low volume and inefficiencies. From high time frame we have 4-month high volume node, which can be good confluence for this short in this golden zone, But locally it's weekly single prints here and not much levels here. So you need to, this is area where you need to be really careful because you can see fast move up. And why? It's very obvious. I have no strong market structure here, yes, and it's also low volume node area here. So from volume perspective, your resistance starts at 21,400. This is the high volume node. So you need to be aware of that. And after that, you start to see market structure and so on. So I'll be careful, very careful in this area. And as we go further up, this is gonna be a lot better area to look for shorts. This is the area where we have 5,000 bitcoins trapped on Binance. I mean on Tether, on Bybit. So area of trap trade, this is gonna be here, and then we have. I also look, to fill at least this low volume node, and we have single prints here, so we'll be watching that. We don't have to fill all single prints at once, because we have these 2 levels strong. This is 0.86, and in between we have naked weekly here and 2 naked pokes based on volume. So this is area where definitely you better have alerts and you want to see a possible easy scalp to be created from here. Yes, 21,800, let's say. Also order books, I'm seeing some orders there. Based on order books, we also have 21k, some positions. So if you feel them, they want to definitely grab some liquidity, you can have easy scalp, but I will be watching that. And as we go to the upside, you can see very clearly what is happening. So it will be very nice when we fill the single prints in the end. Another low volume node is here, and we can this is the maximum opportunity area is actually here. Without swing failure pattern, first you should definitely get some day trade out of this area from these multiple order blocks. strong high volume node from the top of the range, because a lot of people, as we move down so violently, got trapped on the move down. So this range on top will be definitely, you need to look for shorts in that range as well, from this daily naked poke here, 0.88 and so on. So yeah, as you go further, your chances for good shorts will be rising. Yeah, you just need to be more defensive in some areas. This was pretty easy here, but it's gonna be more hard in this area. Yes. And you can see locally we are moving out of this range here, which is beautiful. We are pushing, this is pretty aggressive push, so in the end we will get pullback, so don't FOMO. If you have no positions, no FOMO, you will wait for your entry. There will be retests of the VAC of the range, high volume node, so don't worry, you will get retest. Any scenario is perfectly fine at the moment, but it is all it is more important to be positioned in longs, definitely. You see what is changing character of the market as well. Yeah, the anchor view ups for us. You reclaim every single one of the resistance, and but these two will be important. Yeah, also. Yeah, so we will definitely watch them. You see why. This is measuring like whole big 4-month range, the wide one. So if you reclaim this can open doors truly to the higher regions. And also we need to see what is happening from AMT from higher time frame perspective. For our time frame, so you see your ultimate targets for the upside to rotate range again is definitely again 22k. So 22k will be just on taking profit. You should see some pullbacks there. So if you have nice confluence, easy short there, and swing trade will take profits there, and day trade also. I might even close day trade a bit sooner on this high volume node. I'll be watching, but swing trade definitely here. But it's already crazy. It's already like 16% move, so beautiful. Alright, this is very, very quick update from me. Now I will do charting. I postponed charting yesterday because we are pushing up, and to the upside I was ready with the levels and I was actively trading. So sometimes if I postpone, it has logical reason because I'm trading myself. Yes. But we definitely need to, so because to the upside we are ready, but we need to update charts to the downside, yeah, to see where will be nice adding to positions or creating new day trades and scalps on the pullbacks, yeah, because this is, bear in mind, this is change of market structure on higher time frames, yeah, definitely on 1 hour time frame, even a 4 hour, yeah, I need to check, but it's beautiful. Okay guys, so see you in the group. I wish you a nice trading day today. Bye bye.